Happy post-Thanksgiving. It's Monday. It is time to do work. I got a customer that called me. He has a broken terminal box on his dump trailer. So I'm gonna swap out this terminal box, put a new 7-way plug, check all the wiring, make sure all the lights work. He said it's popping some fuses. I think it might be that terminal box, so let's get to it. Make sure his whip is the same length. I make it a little longer. We'll just add another roughly 6 inches. All right, tearing down the box currently. Box off, and then start working on getting the wiring off. Ground wires, left turn, right turn. And cable off. Let's clean up this wiring. I'm gonna put new terminals on the end of this stuff. There's the mainframe ground wire going to ground. As always, bolts and nuts coming in clutch. This little pack is the best. Breakaway is on. Let's wire all this stuff up. Wonder if there's another cable coming from inside. This is the charge line. I gotta see if there's a fusible link on this battery. Oh, okay. Is the battery inside this? I'm gonna clean that up too. Just does not look good. Oh, that wasn't even wired into the correct terminal. What is going on? What the heck? It's the positive side. Is that going to the frame ground? That goes to power. This battery's on backwards. I think it fried this. I cut that off. It's the frame ground with the red wire. So I can see why that got confusing for whoever swapped this battery out. Come on off. Swap this around in the correct orientation. Good, now it's not confusing. This does need to be changed though. I think I might have one on my truck. Alright, found the ground frame. I did have a ground wire, so I'm just gonna swap the two cables because this red cable's still good. Clean this cable up. Doesn't look like it's burnt at all. Clean up these connections. That connection's clean. Perfect. I'm gonna strip down this wire a little bit. Make sure I have enough from the battery. Oh yeah, way more than enough. Fresh copper, I cut it and put new copper on there, so I just need to cut down a little bit more. Perfect. Cinch it down. Good and tight. That cable's out. It's like all pillowy. That's wild. Tight. Should probably tighten that down a little bit more. Let's get the ground on there. Negative, negative. Perfect. Oh. Hopefully I've got I do. Installing the ground wire back onto the trailer. I swapped his wire from that was the ground that's red to the correct. So red now indicates positive, black now indicates negative, as it should. Good, ground is tight. I got battery box all taken care of. Put a fusible link in for the charge line. I'm also going to use this as the breakaway line. I'll wire it all in. Tightening down. Fusible link, good, that's tight, that's tight. I'm gonna re-up it with a new zip tie, put it on there, and this box should be done. I check and make sure I wired everything correctly. Goes up, comes down. Perfect. Starting to put everything back together. I've got the breakaway switch going to power, and then the other side of the switch going to the brake. So if it ever comes off, this pulls those two pieces of metal that touch, and it connects the circuit, and it sends 12-volt power directly to the brakes. Keeps everything straight and stops the trailer. So one side goes to blue, one side goes to power. All right, I got all my grounds done. I got the ground coming from the trailer brakes done as well into the same terminal. All the powers are on, and we need to start doing lights now. Green is going to be your right turn, yellow is your left turn, and brown is your running lights. Brakes are connected now to this post. I'm just finishing up wiring on this. Green on your trailer is going to go to brown off your 7-way plug. Green to brown, yellow to red, and brown to green. Green off your 7-way post is going to be your marker lights. Yellow or red off your 7-way post is going to be your left turn, and brown off your 7-way post is going to be your green, which is your right turn. And wiring's done. I got the breakaway switch to power and to brake. I've got yellow to red, brown to green, green to brown. That's all correct. Charge line is going into the charge 12-volt hot, which is black. All grounds are going to ground. It is ground to the trailer frame. Now let's test and see if everything works. Tester is plugged in. Turn it on. Everything is working except for reverse lights, which is the yellow wire, but that terminates to nothing, so you don't have to worry about that. Looks like I have everything taken care of. About 12 volt. Yes, 12 is good. Let's do marker lights. Marker lights are on. Good front driver. Good rear driver. Good left turn. Left turn is on and working. Right turn. Right turn is on and working. Back to marker light. On. That one is on. And finally the front. Cool. Everything works. I'll test the brakes. Driver's side is up in the air. Both are free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Rear is free spinning. Brake is on. Locked up. Brake is off. Free spinning. Brakes work. Ooh, let's test the breakaway. Breakaway is on. Front locked up. Rear locked up. Here we got passenger side up in the air. Both are free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. I don't think this rear one locked up. It did. Locked up. Locked up. Try again. Yes. Off. Go and go. Perfect. Check breakaway. Breakaway is pulled. Brakes are locked up. Sounded like. Yep. Front's locked up and rear's locked up. Pin back inside. All systems on the trailer work. And shrink wrap and butt connectors. I'll put everything back together, clean up, and I'm done. Butt connectors are all shrunk wrap. Zip tie everything. And clip putting cover plate on there. Nice and tight. Everything's secure. Everything's clean. It's got long enough to get to his truck. All brakes work. All lights work. All new wiring on the front. Let's do the rundown on this. I've swapped the battery around. It had the connections on the negative was connected to positive when it should have been opposite. So I swapped this red cable that was used as a ground to the power, and I had an extra ground on my truck, so I re-ground everything. Swapped his battery around, put a new fusible link inside. I need to shrink wrap that butt connector. But a new terminal box on the front, new 7-way plug-in loom, new breakaway switch. Everything is rewired. All lights work, all brakes work. Well, this job's done, and I'm on to the next. Connection is shrunk wrap. Tarp is back over the top. Box is done and clean.